took about 4 years to be done to do this carpet actually. As well, you may notice the design on the carpet reflects what's on the roof actually.
Are they
Yeah.
tiles or are they? Is that tiles? Tiles? Are they tiles or are they? Is that fabric?
And this is marble.
Marble.
Music. So behind me here, this is, we call it mihrab, where the imam will stand here to lead the prayer actually. The written here on the wall, it's a verses from Quran, which says that when you're going to start your prayer, or during the prayer, you have to face the Kaaba, Mecca direction. So all the mosque actually will face to Mecca on this side. It's made from Iranian mosque. It's almost, the whole mosque have about 8 million pieces of mosque, actually. Yeah, if you're gonna go closer, you're gonna see it's like small pieces joined together. On this side, we have like a small hidden door for His Majesty used to enter from this side. On this side as well, we have another door for Imam to enter the mosque easily to lead the prayer. As well, he can go to the member, this here on the top. Here, especially on Friday, we have like a small speech. The Imam will give us a speech on Friday. Each Friday will be on different things about fasting Ramadan, about how to be honest, about life, about health, different things actually. It's about 20 minutes. Please, you may take photos.